When you're running low on data with Boost Mobile, you have two primary options to get more data. First, you can upgrade to one of Boost Mobile's unlimited plans. Second, you can purchase a data add-on to supplement your current plan. Boost Mobile offers three unlimited plan tiers: Unlimited, Unlimited Plus, and Unlimited Premium. Each tier provides different amounts of premium data and additional features like hotspot allowances. You can add data through four different methods. The Boost Mobile app is the most convenient option, allowing you to manage add-ons and check usage instantly. The Boost Mobile app provides a clear interface showing your data usage, remaining allowance, and easy access to purchase additional data packs when needed. Boost Mobile also offers eSIM technology for faster and easier activation, eliminating the need for physical SIM cards and streamlining the setup process. Whether you choose to upgrade your plan or add a data pack, Boost Mobile provides multiple convenient options to ensure you stay connected when you need it most. Effective data management starts with monitoring your usage regularly. The Boost One app is your primary tool for tracking data consumption and avoiding overages. Connect to Wi-Fi whenever possible to reduce mobile data consumption. Wi-Fi networks don't count against your mobile data allowance and often provide faster speeds. Turn off background data for apps that consume large amounts of data. Many apps continue using data even when you're not actively using them, which can quickly drain your allowance. Be aware of data deprioritization, which may slow down speeds after you've used a certain amount of high-speed data. This typically occurs during network congestion periods. If you have questions about add-ons or data management, contact Boost Mobile customer care for assistance. Additionally, Boost Mobile is investing in its 5G network, which should provide faster and more reliable data speeds in the future.